Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. I just wanted to pop on with a quick video because our team has made a great new update to the manual tracing tool that is going to save you hours of work. So this new update will allow you to completely trace around the edges of a product, remove the background image, and you're now going to be able to save the traced version of this product back to the library. So anytime you drag it out onto your design board, you'll get the traced version and you won't have to spend that time to manually remove that background each and every time. So I thought I'd put together a quick video and show you exactly how this works. So let's say we want to use this product as our example, and I'm going to keep this item and I'm going to remove the full background image. To do that, I'm just going to select on this image to begin with, and then I'm going to go over to the toolbar and I'm going to click the option that says Remove Background. Now from here, I'm going to switch from the Auto Remove Background option over here to the Manually Remove Background option. And then I'm going to use the zoom tools over here to zoom right in so I can get nice and close to the product edges. And I'm going to use the scroll bars here so that I can shift the screen around and get a good portion of the product image where I want it to be so I can start my trace. So now I'm going to click anywhere on the product edge. And when I do that, you're going to see a point is going to be added. And if I move my mouse, there's going to be a red line that's radiating out from that point. So if I want to remove the background from this product, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start clicking my way around the product to trace it out. And the manual tracing tool allows you to add curved lines. So to do that, you would just click another point, keep holding down on your mouse, and then drag your mouse around so that you can create curved lines. When you get it in place, you can just release and then continue to make points all the way down and around your product. Now, the nice thing about being able to add curved lines is that it means that you can do much bigger spaces between each point. You don't have to make a billion little jagged points to try to get the actual product edges correct. So here we're just going to click and drag our way around this product until we have everything nice and cut out. Now, you don't have to be 100% exact with your product or with your points here because you're going to be able to adjust those after the fact. So just go ahead, keep clicking your way around the product. If you want to make those curved lines, again, remember you're going to click and drag and you'll see that curve start to appear. And when you have it correctly or where you want it to be, you can just release it. And just so you know, if you ever make a mistake, for instance, if you accidentally make a point out here, don't worry about it, just keep going because you'll be able to adjust that point after the fact. So just come back, make another point on the product edge, and we'll deal with that this little point in just a minute. So again, I'm going to just use the scroll bar. I'm going to come up here, I'm going to add another point, and just make my way around this product. Now, what's really important here is that you close off the trace. You can't leave it open. So you've got to make a point of clicking on the very first point that you added when you first started the trace, and by doing that, you'll close it off completely. When you do it correctly, you're going to notice that your trace line goes from red to black. And over here, you can see that we've got this one point that we need to fix. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in again, use my scroll bars and just come over to this area. And then I'm just going to click and drag this point and bring it right back in where I want it. When I feel good about my trace, I'm just going to go ahead and hit save, and there it is. Now, here's the thing. In order for this saved trace to be saved to the library again, what you first want to do is just save your design board. And once that design board is saved, the next time I pull this product out onto this design board or any future design board, it's going to just give me the traced version. So I'll never have to cut out that background image again. And the team is working on a little icon that's going to indicate to you which items you have fully traced out. So you'll see a little scissor icon in the top right-hand corner of each of the products. And that way you'll know which of the items in your library or in our main library have been cut out, and you can pull those out onto your design board. So there you go. Go ahead, log into your Design Files account. I know this one was heavily requested. It did take some time to build it out, but it's now available and it should save you a ton of time as you start moving forward with your design projects. As always, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.